Yo, it's me again and you already know me. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हूँ. मेरा नाम सृष्टि है and if you don't know then कहाँ रह रहे हो तुम? जागो ग्राहक जागो. हर जगह इंटरनेट पे मैं छाई हुई हूँ. तुम अभी तक मुझे नहीं जानते, ऐसे कैसे?
Shut the fuck up!
Enough about my rant. So अब मुद्दे की बात पे आते हैं. तो आज मैं आपके सामने 10 my top 10 nude lipsticks शेयर करूँगी which you can wear every single day for college or maybe office or on everyday basis. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video.
Yeah, get into it.
If you made it so far, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell right next to it. And I will meet you every Monday and Thursday at 4 p.m. And I promise I won't be late.
So the first lipstick is from Oriflame and it's in the shade Rose Top from the range On Color. I love the formula of this lipstick. It's so creamy and oh my god, I love the fragrance of it. I feel like eating it all the time and it perfectly matches with my lip tone. And I got it for rupees 250. This lipstick is again from Oriflame and it's in the shade Rosewood Charm from the range The One. It's slightly lighter in the shade from the previous one. Again, the formula of this lipstick is so good, like it's so creamy and it hydrates my lips. And I got it for piece 350 and it's so perfect for the nude makeup look. This lipstick is from Color Bar and it's in the shade Bare 58 and it is also so creamy and I love the fragrance and it gives slightly pink tone to my lipstick which I really love. And as you can see, I already use it so much. Like मैं college में इसको बहुत बार wear करके जाती थी. It's one of my favorite shade because it's so natural and I love the tint it gives to my lips. Also, all these lipsticks are so lightweight, like तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलता कि if you are wearing a lipstick or not, which is like a really plus point. And I got it for rupees 275. This lipstick is from Sheer and it's an Arabian brand and it's in the shade Burnt Orange with the shade number 07. And as you can see, I almost finished this lipstick because I love this lipstick so much. Like it looked good on my skin tone और अभी वीडियो में फिल्टर के चक्कर में ये बहुत वाइब्रेंट लग रही है बट इतनी वाइब्रेंट है नहीं जितनी अभी तुम्हें लग रही है. इससे थोड़ा सा म्यूटेड कलर है. So yeah, it looks so good on me and I got it for rupees 400 and you can order it from Amazon. Next lipstick is from Wet n Wild and it's in the shade Pooty Persimmon. And to be honest, I'm not a big fan of this lipstick. I got it as a freebie from Myntra. It looks so vibrant on my skin tone and doesn't look good. So what I do to make it work, I remove all the excess lipstick and use it as a tint rather than a lipstick. This one is again from Color Bar and it's in the shade Only Reason. It is perfect for the days when you want to feel strong and confident. It is slightly matte as compared to the previous lipsticks and the color itself is like so hot and sexy. I love wearing this color whenever I want to feel confident and strong. It gives me boss vibes and yeah, and it's for rupees 250. Now moving on to the liquid lipsticks. So this one is from Matte Me and it's in the shade 528. This color is so perfect for everyday wear and if you love wearing matte lipsticks and looking for some affordable matte finish brands, so I think Matte Me is the brand you need to look for because it's so affordable and have variety of colors you can look into. The formula of this lipstick is completely matte and I got it for rupees 250. This lipstick is from Lakme 925 range and it's in the color cinnamon red. Again, this color is so bold and strong, and if you love wearing dark colors, then you should try this color out. I don't know if you agree or not, but dark lipsticks instantly elevate your whole look. You just need to wear a perfect dark lipsticks and you are good to go. And I got it for rupees 400. Again, this color is from Lakme 925 and it's in the shade red, like as you can see, it's perfectly red. The formula of these lipsticks are not completely matte, they have slight creamy texture to them. This lipstick is from Huda and obviously fake Huda Beauty Care because I got it from Sarojini and it's in the shade Brick Red. And I love the shade of this lipstick, and to my surprise the formula of this lipstick is also fine, like not so cheap. And yeah, this shade looks so good on me and I think it looks good on every skin tone. And I got it for rupees 100. Yes, 100. For the last lipstick, I have this Matte Me lipstick and it's in the shade red. और red का कौन सा division है I don't know, but oh my god, I freaking love this lipstick because it make me feel like queen when I'm wearing it. Oh my god, it's so freaking good. Like you can see by yourself like how strong, bold this color is, and this color is so perfect for party wear, for dates, and for whatnot. Just wear it and you will feel like queen.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in one of those videos. कहीं पे भी click कर दो, I will meet you there. Bye.